This one is just giving like, hold the fuck on. Hey loves, welcome to the Book of Amani. It's your girl Amani, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, this will be an Amazon synthetic wig try on haul. So this hair that I am wearing right now is an Amazon synthetic wig. I believe this is a 26 inch. I will have to go back and check the details to be fully sure, but I will also be posting the details right here in this corner as well. But when I first received this hair, it was straight, it wasn't crinkly or anything. I felt like when I added the crinkles, it gave it more texture and it made the hair more full. So, I don't know, I just felt like, for me, the straight was cute and all for that time being, but it just tangled way too much. And I feel like with the crinkle, it tangles, but not as much as when it was straight. Like, when it tangles with the crinkles, you can get away with it still because it looks like that's the look that you're going for. It looks like maybe a water wave or something like that. Just very more flowy, I would say. Just, I don't know, I just feel like it gives it a more sexier look. I'm sorry in advance for me looking this way. I have to look at myself so I can see what's going on, you know. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first wig that I'm going to be trying on is the QD Tizzer hair collection. I hope I am saying that right. If I am not, I apologize in advance. But the hair that I got from them was a black synthetic wig with a skunk stripe highlight, and the color that I chose was pink. I just wanted to get it as something to play in. This is what the hair looks like when it comes. And in the bag, we also got a wig cap. So it is a pretty basic wig cap, you know, that most wig companies give you when you get hair. For this hair, I would say it feels pretty soft as I am taking it out of the package. It feels pretty nice, pretty flowy. It's really actually fuller than what I expected it to be, honestly. But this is what the inside looks like. So it is not a full lace, it's more of a closure wig. And this is what the parting looks like. So I am going to be trying on this wig first for you guys and see what kind of vibe, what kind of feel that it gives us. I may or may not install it. Just depends on which one I like the best. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do. So whatever wig that I like the best, I will be doing an install. And if you guys want to see the other ones be installed and played with a little bit, I can do that as well. So as of right now, I'm running my fingers through it and it's not tangly, surprisingly. Like, I'm able to get a full, oh wait, spoke too soon, hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm able to get a full run through without too much tangling or anything. The hair doesn't really seem to be shredding or anything like that. So I feel like this wig will hold up if it's properly taken care of. Like, not just sat somewhere and left for hours or weeks upon months, you know, rolled up in a bag, you know, your old wig bag that you have in your cabinet or somewhere. No, this hair needs to be laid properly on a wig head and just left alone and maybe brushed once a week, twice a week, if you plan on like really wearing this hair and are trying to keep it up. But if you want to like a quick look, you know, you probably ain't gonna never wear it again. Maybe you can throw it in that wig bag and revamp it later, but I don't know. I wouldn't personally hang them hoes up. I like to hang my wigs up just so that way I can avoid having to go back and, you know, do all the extra work. But I'm gonna get into trying on these wigs for you guys. So I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I will have to definitely play in this hair a little bit. I'm feeling it, but at the same time, I'm like, let me see the install. Let me see the install first. It's just like, hold on, girl. But that's cute though. I feel like this will be way Vogue. Hold on, bitch, cause hold on, I'm feeling myself a little bit. But I just feel like this hair, for this particular style, it needs to be a lace, a full lace in the front. You can't be having no color like this and it just be a closure. Like, at least not for me personally. I don't like closures a lot. But for a synthetic wig, okay, that's fine. But when I get my lace fronts, no, I need a full lace wig on my head. But so far, I like it. It's cute or whatever. I will have to really like, look, it's tangling now. I'm doing too much with my fingers. Let me not even do that. So let me just brush this out, brush the tangle out a little bit before I develop more tangles. I like it. I think it's very sexy. It's something different that I don't do, so it's just, I'm feeling the vibe. I don't know, girls, what y'all think? Would y'all try this wig out? But out of a 1 through 10, I will definitely give this wig, from right now, from it being on my head, a 9. Just because this wig is not stiff. This wig is like really moving around for it to be synthetic. Like, look at this flow. Like, what the fuck? Hold on. Whoa. I'm feeling it. I'm sorry, y'all, again. I'm gonna keep looking over there. I know my eyes a little lazy, but I like it. I like it a lot. So this one may be a winner. I don't know if I gave y'all the rate, but I said this is a 9. This one may be the winner for me to try on, but I can't speak too soon, of course. So we'll definitely see. I mean, you know, right now it's looking like cone head, of course, but that's just trying on the wig. I haven't even adjusted the straps or anything in the back. This is just the wig literally like slapped on my head. So I like it though so far, but I still would like to see, you know, the install. But okay, moving on to the next wig. The next wig that I have here for you guys is by Andrea Hair Products. This is what the packaging looks like. And it also has their social medias right here on the back. So if you ever wanted to go look up their products and see what they have, you can visit one of these right here. I will also probably tag them in the description box below. Inside the package, we have a natural, or no, this is a jet black wig. And the cap was already off of the hair. I don't know why, but there's that. So this one, I think, I'm not sure on the inches of any of these wigs, guys. I honestly ordered them a week or 2 ago, so I'm not really sure exactly, but everything will be posted right here or in the description box down below. But for this one as well, like, I'm feeling like it's really full. Like, I don't know what kind of wigs Amazon own, but for the synthetic hairs, but they come on along. Like, this one is actually thicker than the one that I have. I know it's because it's long, the one I had on before, but this one is pretty decent. Like, I'm liking it. So right here in the front, they have some baby hairs. And this wig is not a closure wig or maybe it is, I'm not sure. But it's like, this is one of them type of wigs that you can really, you can't do too much, but at the same time, you kind of can, just depending on if you know how to wear your wig, especially your synthetic wig. If you know how to play with it, maybe get a little bit, you can do some things to this wig. So I think it's pretty decent, it's pretty cool. This is just probably a wig to slap on when you're not really trying to do too much throughout the week. You ain't got really nowhere special to go. This is cool little wig. Hey guys, so I do apologize for the lighting being a little bit off, but my camera had overheated, so I have to let it cool off a little bit. But I'm about to get into trying on this wig. Alright, so this one, I'm gonna have to just say, it's one of your little basic wigs that you get that's synthetic. I feel like I would definitely have to pluck this one just because it's just way too full for my liking in the front. It's just too full. I feel like for this one, the lace is pushed too far back. Like, it's not where it needs to be. Maybe because the wig is not fully adjusted with the adjustable straps tightly, but I just feel like it's not giving what it's supposed to have gave in the front area. But overall, I like it. I feel like it's, you know, one of those basic hairs that I would get when I'm not trying to like do too much, stand out too much. I pretty much think this is cool. I'm running my fingers through it. I feel like I do have a little bit of tangle because I was flipping it around too much. But other than that, I feel like this hair is really like soft and just playful. You can really play with this hair. It's like, you can never go wrong with this hair. You know, don't really want to do your hair, or you need something quick, but it's still natural, still you. I feel like this is something you would go with. That's synthetic and you're not trying to spend too much. But I like it. So yeah, this is what I would normally go for. So this is what I'm used to. But yeah, I'm about to get into this next hair that I have ordered. I feel like I am probably not gonna like it just because it's way out of my comfort zone, but we'll see. I can't be a judge of it just yet until I try it on. So let me go and try that on for you guys. This next wig that I got is also from the same company as the first one, QD Scissor Hair Collection. And so, oh, I don't know if I mentioned, but in this hair I had received also like some lashes, but you guys know, like those them wig hair lashes, they ain't no like mink lashes or anything. But this hair also came with a wig cap, so I like that lately the wigs that I've been ordering have been coming with wig caps, because sometimes, you know, you don't want to go buy that shit, but it's just convenient to have hella already in here. So this hair, I would say it's like the pink hair that or the black hair that I had on with the pink stripe. This one is the same, but in red and with a pink stripe. So instead of it being black, it's red. But it's pretty much the same type of situation going on, a little closure wig. But I feel like with these type of closure wigs, you can still only really part it in that one little, I mean, okay, now, because the part that they have, I don't know if you guys mess around with synthetic wigs, but the part that they have is like so, you know, ugly. It'd be too defined, like too, like, bitch, where is the part? Where is your hair? Like, you know, it just looks too like uniform, too wiggish. So I guess you can still part it a little bit, but not too much. It's not gonna get you too far. So I would probably just pluck this wig and see where it takes me. I would say about the same thing as the other one. It's It's pretty flowy, no tangles as well. For this to be color, like, okay, I'm feeling it. But I'm about to try it on for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like as well. And then from there, we're gonna pick the winner on which one we have to install. Ooh, okay, hold on. I'm matching my shirt. Okay, so in this camera, I look more, you know, more, it's giving a little bit more of what I need, but in this camera, I'm not sure how the vibe is just yet. But I think I kind of like this one just because I don't do color. So I feel like synthetic wigs are for trying out new colors, trying out different styles to see what you actually like before you go spend hundreds of dollars on an actual lace. You know, I would definitely purchase me a little synthetic wig to see how I like the color. Because what if I don't like the color of a regular install and then I go get it done and that's a waste of my money? No, like I'd rather try it out on a little $40 wig and call it a day and see how I like it, and then if I like it, proceed with the install. But as of right now, I think I'm kind of digging it. I think I like it so far. I think this one actually may be the winner. I want to call her Strawberry Shortcake, but I don't know. At the same time, I kind of want to call her, what do I want to call her? Yeah, I want to call her Strawberry Shortcake, like the Strawberry Shortcake ice cream or something. I'm kind of feeling this. It looks kind of hot, so we'll see. But I think this one is the winner for the install. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below which one you think I should install first, and I will do a video on that for you guys as well. I will be installing each and every one of these wigs that I have purchased, playing with them a little bit, seeing how I want to style them, maybe even cut it. We'll see what type of look that I go for with these wigs. As I said before, all of the information on these wigs will be down below in the description box. Yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up our video. So out of this one, and that one, which one do you like the best? I am going with Miss Shortcake over here. The pink one was giving very much Danny Phantom, but with pink instead of green. The girl, I don't know if you guys know what Danny Phantom is. It's a really old cartoon that was on, I think, Cartoon Network. But yeah, that's what that one was giving. The other one that I just had on was giving very much, you know, basic wigs that you get when you just need a everyday natural hairstyle. That's what that one was giving. And this one is just giving like, hold the fuck on. No, this one is giving, bitch, you can't sit with us. And it's definitely giving on Wednesdays we wear pink. Just because it's pink isn't here. This is sexy. So I like this one the best. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. If I can do anything different in this wig, it will be just change the fact that it is synthetic, and actually not even change the fact that it's synthetic, just change the lace to a full lace, and I think I would like it. Or a fuller lace. I think I would like it way much better, but so far it is a 10 out of 10, girl. Honey, I love the vibes. All right, I have to put the original wig back on, guys, but thank you, loves, so much for tuning in with me in my first video. Well, the OGs know it's not my first video, but my first video starting a new chapter in my life, which is why the title of my channel is called The Book of Amani. This is my story, this is my journey that I am sharing with you guys, and I hope that you guys will be a part of my journey and we can grow together. So thank you so much, and be sure to tune in with me in my next videos. And also comment down below what other videos you would like to see from me, and do not forget to rate the hair and which one you want to see be installed first. Thank you so much. Bye, loves.